We turn now to our Planet Forward series, part of our partnership with Planet Forward, a program that brings experts and leaders together to create innovative projects in the areas of energy and sustainability. Today's energy innovator is the Army Research Lab. The lab is in pursuit of a better, lighter battery, one that will use less energy to charge. As Planet Forward's Frank Sesno tells us, chemistry is the key.
From cell phones to laptops, electric cars to electric lawnmowers. We're all getting more of a charge out of batteries these days. Or are we? Research is chasing that future in many labs. One of them sent its idea to Planet Forward.
Hi, I'm Jan Allen. I'm a research chemist and I work on lithium-ion batteries.
Jan Allen works for the Army's research lab in Adelphi, Maryland. The Army uses a lot of batteries in its gear, and charging all those things puts out a lot of carbon. Their goal?
We want to make it lighter. We want to make it last longer.
So this lab is trying to develop new kinds of cathodes, which move electricity through a battery. Also new electrolytes, which allow the battery to charge faster. What makes their electrolytes so special? Well, they're made from a solid material instead of a traditional liquid. Battery experts say this is huge.
The new solid electrolyte will make the battery smaller because there's no need to have separate enclosures for a liquid. It can make it shape compliant. You can actually have a casing of your cell phone be your battery instead of a brick.
So for the past 4 years, the Army Research Lab has been experimenting with literally thousands of solid materials till they hit pay dirt.
And that has the potential to increase the energy density about 30%.
The research has the potential to make our laptops and cell phones last that much longer.
Battery technology so far has improved by about 1% per year, so having a 33% increase in performance is really revolutionary.
But the lab is also looking to the longer range future of batteries. These scientists are working on a way to mimic how plants get energy from the sun. If successful, they'll be able to create hydrogen for a fuel cell, using only water and sunlight. Less fuel and lighter power sources can help move the planet forward.
Frank Sesno, the creator of Planet Forward and also the Director of Media and Public Affairs at George Washington University, is with us now from Washington. And Frank, this battery research certainly has far-reaching implications beyond the military, doesn't it? What sort of other capacities could there be?
Well, first of all, if they can make this work, the technology will be licensed and will be sold because that's just the way the world works, right? So, for example, in the past 16 years, we really haven't moved very much on batteries for cars, for example. I mean, we now have the Chevy Volt and the Nissan Leaf, but the fact of the matter is it's only the Tesla that gets about 200 miles. That's going to cost you a lot of money. Improve that by 33%. The Tesla is now getting over 260 miles. That's pretty close to what we call range anxiety that people have. They want to get 300 miles or more. Not only that, you could be charging these batteries in roughly half the time if this technology works. So that's your cell phone, that's your laptop, that's your charger, that's your car, that's your lawnmower that you saw there. So the implications really are huge here.
How does the military get this to market, though, assuming they don't have the capacity to produce mass batteries?
Right, and they don't have the capacity, but they have partnerships because these research labs that they have, and the Army Research Lab, for example, has to work with university and industry consortia. So they're working with everybody from Stanford University to Motorola and Lockheed Martin. So if they hit on the right patent, they'll own the intellectual property, but they'll be able to license it, and you can expect this to come to market. Somebody's going to get rich here.
And Frank, before you go, remind us again, how do you submit ideas to Planet Forward?
Okay, well, you know, the people watching this show are the perfect innovators and inventors. We want to hear your ideas. So maybe you're working on a battery technology or you're working on some other technology that can help us with energy, climate, sustainability, these sorts of things. We'd very much like to know. We're all about invention and innovation. Go to planetforward.org. You'll see up the upper right-hand corner, submit your idea or getting additional information about that. Click on it. We'll walk you through. Then you can submit your idea via video or any other way. We're going to be sorting through the best, and we bring them here to you in Bloomberg West, the best ones, every week. So that's the way you do it.
So all of our viewers, listen up. Planet Forward's Frank Sesno, thanks again for stopping by.
Thanks, Emily.